The fourth industrial revolution has evolved at a rapid pace, and the Faculty of Health Sciences at the University of Johannesburg will be offering a short learning program that will focus on healthcare technology in the 4IR. Whether you're a healthcare professional, biomedical engineering enthusiast, or just have a passion for the healthcare fraternity, this course might be for you. The course will be offered online. This means you'll be able to take the course at your own pace and attend one online lecture per week. Upon successful completion of the course, you will be awarded with a certificate, and if you registered with the HPCSA, you'll be able to obtain 15 clinical as well as 15 ethical CPD points that have been approved by the South African Medical Association. I look forward to welcoming you on the course, and may this be one of the first steps in healthcare towards a future that is reimagined.